Welcome back in this session. In this session, we basically discuss about the failing job, where the how to see the logs for the failing job and how it reflect over the projects, over the project level or the dashboard level. Even we are going to understand the how to disable project and how to enable project and what's the configuration required to enable and disable project. So let's start. So this is our demo project, and I'm just building a first build for this one. So you can see at the down it's building the first trigger, so you can see the console output it's got successful. uh, let's trigger once more time. So it's trigger three times, you can see here. So all build are got successful. So how do we see the logs for this build? So you can click over this icon, it's a success console output redirection. So this is the console output redirection. Here it will show the what's command are executed. So here it's executed the echo command and the output is the hello friends. So this got the successful build. So in this session we will basically focus on the how to failing build and how to focus the configuration for the fail. So let's move to the configuration page for these projects. So how to do configuration page? So let's at the left menu you can find the configure option over here. So you can go to config option from there. Also there's another way. Let's move back to the Jenkins home page, and this is our dashboard, and from dashboard you can also go to config page from here. That at the on the name you can click and you can find the configure option over here. So you can go to here, and this is our valid command. So I'm just adding the one more command. That's something wrong, that's a taste, and just applying this one. So my configuration got saved. Let's go back and let's trigger now. So build 4 got the failed, you can see here it's got failed. That's a console output. Also you can click here with the timeline stamp. So when I click here it will show me the status, and from here we can also go to the console output. So in console output it's failed. Where it's failed, it's find the test class is no property. So this is the failed, and here you will find the all console log how you debug your job. So whatever command you executed, it will show here what's is executed here. So using this console output you can debug your job. Let's go back. Let's go to the dashboard view. Okay, so here you can see here our blast wheel got failed, and this is some of the cloudly icon you can see here. So there's a possible of the rain. So let's trigger one more time to just see this changing the weather. So we have triggered. Let me refresh. Okay, so now icon got changed. So it's now more cloudly, and it's time for the more change the weather. So it could be the burst level as the raining started. Let's trigger one more time. Let me refresh this page. Okay, now it's again changed. So 4 times we got fail, and let's this the last time. This the 5 will got fail continuously. So now you can see it's a bad weather. That's it's a bad situation. That's all build are failing since all recent build. So more than 5 it will show the all build get failed. So it's a situation for this project is completely worst level because it's continuously getting failed. So you can see here your log icon from how Jenkins are indicating the your project status. So now our project got continuously failed. So let's move for the disable this project. So I'm going to this project level, and here in project configuration you will find the disable project option. So let's disable this project. So while you disable this button of the build, now it's automatically removed from here. So you are now not able to now build anything because it's a disable project. Let's go for the dashboard view. Here it's changed the icon for red to the this brown, and now it's showing the disable. So you are not able to trigger your build from here also. So if you enable these projects, you will again find the older status. So this project is enabled. Let's go for the dashboard view. Here it's going again. The last status is a fail. So we have understand that how to failing job and how to trace that job and what is the way to the find out the logo of this weather and how to enable and disable projects. Next topic we are going to understand copy of your projects from one project to another projects.